Hey, you heard about this new fella?
Which new fella?
This new fella that Emma is expecting today?
Oh, tell me more. Tell me more.
I heard. This new fella is really awesome. Like he's very hot, strong, sleek, and can satisfy different needs. You know, and he does it fast, too.
Wow, that does sound like a badass.
And you know, unlike you, he doesn't have that.
What? How could he? No way.
Quiet. I think he's here. Oh my God.
Meet Dayoo TranSteamer, an all-in-one steam cleaning solution that morphs into a powerful and portable system for many home cleaning needs. The TranSteamer is made of the base station and the cordless portable unit, both of which are able to instantly produce powerful hot steams for effective cleaning. The base station charges and pre-boils water for the portable unit. When the portable unit is in use, the water is securely concealed in its high-temp thermal chamber. The moment you press the steam button, stable hot steam bursts out of the dispenser, making cleaning and sanitizing a lot more efficient. And don't forget that it's to be used without a cord attached, lifting the steaming experience to a whole new level.
Well, all right. That's indeed better than me.
And me.
Dayoo TranSteamer is a fully fledged modular steam cleaner that transforms into differently purposed devices. With so many heads that come included, you may just swap the right head for the right job. Have the steam cut through floors and windows grime, greasy dishes and stoves, fabrics, kids, and pet stuff. When you are done with the cleaning, simply put it back. The base station will automatically ready the portable unit for the next operation.
Wait, why is she looking at us?
It's perhaps the time to replace your old steamer and mops.
No!
Thank you for supporting Dayoo TranSteamer.